Infinite being is present. It's always present. And we try to separate ourselves from it, but we do a huge disservice to the entire universe this way. And let me explain to you mathematically and pragmatically and logically why. The reason is because infinite being is an infinite source. We try to divide ourselves, humanity, by multiplying our concept of self, our ego, by X, the variables of things that we exist in, our circumstances, our family of origin, the opinions of other people, our environment, X, times humanity, our humanness, and then we divide ourselves from infinite source being, which is holistic health and wealth, which are abundant and never have an end to them. But the truth is that we got the equation wrong. We know that our being is separate from our human. We are human being, but they're not one word. They're two, because they're separate. So B, our capital B, being, is a separate entity from our humanness, but that doesn't mean we divide our human experience, HX, by infinity. We got the equation wrong. We have the opportunity to realize that congruency means alignment, which means a line, which is meant to be. We don't have to change it. There's no trying to put ourselves by undermining or under the line of infinite. Whenever we recognize that we cannot divide infinity because the limit does not exist, we allow ourselves to put it all on the same line in alignment. And when we do that, we realize B equals infinity times H times X. Infinity times H times X equals infinity. Because when you multiply infinity by anything, it's infinity. It's infinite. And you can't divide it by anything. So we realize when we multiply, we have the H times X times infinity equals capital B, which is our being. We are abundant source universe. Why do we separate it or try to? It's impossible. It's in the proof. I never liked math in school. But it's because they never explained anything in a way that made sense, but this makes so much sense. Because it's the capital T truth. And it was just so on my heart space to document it, because look how beautiful life is when we recognize the capital T truth of our capital B being. I love you so much. And if no one's told you today, you are the choice. You are the choice. You are the choice. And in every moment we can remember the equation of life.